we will guide you through how to create north direction in AutoCAD. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, begin by opening AutoCAD by double-clicking the AutoCAD icon on your desktop or selecting it from the Start menu. Open your existing drawing by clicking Open and selecting the required .dwg file, or click New to create a new drawing. Go to the Home tab and locate the Draw panel. Click the Circle tool and create a circle by selecting the center point and entering the required radius value. After creating the circle, click the Line tool and draw a line from the top middle point of the circle, ensuring that the line is aligned with the center of the circle. Hold Shift and right-click to open the Object Snap menu. Then select Tangent to accurately connect the line to the circle. Choose the appropriate base point on the right side of the circle to position the line correctly. Type Mirror in the command line and press Enter to create a mirrored copy of the line. Select the line, press Enter, and use the center of the circle as the mirror axis to place the copied line on the opposite side. Check both lines and make sure they are evenly positioned to create the north arrow shape. Type Hatch in the command line and press Enter to begin applying the hatch. Select the enclosed arrow area and press Enter to confirm the hatch boundary. Open the Hatch Editor tab and select Solid as the hatch pattern to create a filled north arrow appearance. Click inside the circle and use the Text or Text command to add the north direction label. Enter in as the north symbol and adjust the text size and position so it fits clearly inside the circle. Save the drawing by clicking Save or pressing Ctrl+S to preserve the completed north direction symbol for future reference in editing.